Hello everyone, welcome back to NFT-GG, and today we're taking a look at Myst because they have announced that they're going to be launching a 3D NFT marketplace on August 6th, so just a few days away from now. So I have not mentioned Myst on my channel yet, and a lot of people have been suggesting it. I have been taking a look at it. I've been watching the charts of the price of Myst right now and keeping an eye out for next announcements. And I really cannot wait to check out the 3D marketplace because it looks amazing. And this game pretty much is a combination of the Lego games that you used to see on PlayStation 2 and Xbox 360. There was a lot of them back in the day, and World of Warcraft. So imagine them two combined, but on the blockchain. So if you get a mount, if you get a weapon, if you want to farm in game or stake, it's all on the blockchain. Now, I'm an absolute sucker for games like RuneScape, World of Warcraft, and right now I'm big into NFTs, so blockchain gaming, and this just has a perfect combination of everything. I really cannot wait to play this game. So I'm going to be ready for the marketplace to launch on the 6th. And it's very easy to get into. It's going to be on the browser, so you don't have to download any major games or have a powerful PC to run this. So we're going to go over to YouTube and just take a quick look at the video, but we're not going to play all of it. I'm not going to play the music because of copyright issues. So the guy lands up on shore and he looks around, and this is the marketplace. So as you can see, the NFTs, you have the mounts on the left, you have armor, a weapon on the right. So this is a really interesting and cool way to see NFTs. It's a whole new take. And I can't wait to try it out. And if I ever want to purchase NFTs in any other games in the future, I want to do it just like this. And there's the date right there. So I'm briefly going to go over the game just before I end the video. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you do that right now. And we're going to jump straight into just a brief overview of what the characters are and what the game is. So Myst is an action RPG game where there'll be a multiplayer aspect on the blockchain. And these are what the NFTs look like. I think they look absolutely amazing. They did a great job on every element so far of the game. So I think it's funny that the farm and stake in game literally has like a farmland, and there's shops as well apparently. So that's kind of a cool feature to integrate aspects of NFTs into the game with actual objects. And there's 5 in-game characters, or 5 classes in the game. You have Crusader, Enchanter, Ranger, Shapeshifter like a Druid, and Witch Hunter. And I think they all look pretty badass, to be fair. And as you can see, it has that kind of Lego feel, but with World of Warcraft theme behind it. So it's running on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is Unity powered. Okay, and just look at this. I'm gonna not have any music playing, but look at the scale of this game. Imagine playing this with in multiplayer on the blockchain. You can have mounts, weapons, classes. I think it's going to be really a lot of fun. I'm not looking at this game as a big investment. I'm not going to put hundreds of dollars into the Myst token just to see if I can 10x it. This is a game I'm going to put some time into. It looks fun. I can't wait to play this game with 4 or 5 friends, do dungeons, battles, PvP, whatever it might be. I'm just a sucker for this type of stuff, so I really cannot wait to get into the game. So I don't want this video to be too long, guys. This is mostly about the 3D marketplace update. I'm going to make a proper full-length video about this whole project in the future. So yeah, stay tuned for the full-length video about Myst. But right now, I just want to give anyone who knows about the game that quick update from the Discord that they're launching the 3D marketplace in just a couple of days. So be ready. I'll see you guys in the next video.